Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, oh my god, I look naked. If you're new here, make sure to like, to subscribe, and to comment down anything you would like to see. I decided since we're in quarantine and there's really not much we can do at this point, I'm going to be doing a lot of like DIY type stuff. I'm going to be dyeing pants. If you've never dyed pants before, I'm going to be dyeing a couple of those. I'm also going to be doing jeans and pants sets, so it's like a whole like monochromatic outfit. That's gonna be really cute. This is like what I've been wanting to do for a while now, but I was just like, I already dye my jeans by myself, like been doing it for like years now, so I might as well record it to show you guys how I do it. I'm going to be also doing like a couple ideas with bandanas, some ideas with bleach, because bleach is kind of like the easiest way to do something, but it's also very creative. I normally use the powder version of this one, but at the store they only had this one, and it recommends you to like wash the stuff before you actually do it, because I guess you want to like get all the dye out and all the dirtiness before you do dye it. To keep it 100, I've done it a couple times without washing it before, because I was like, why am I gonna do 2 loads twice, like spend money to do 2 loads? I'm not gonna do that. But now that I have a free laundromat, I washed it. So, but honestly, I mean, it still works either way. And then you also put salt in the little solution thing. So let's just see. I'm freaking blind. This is a 0.2 font. Okay, it says type amount of dye used, water temperature, and time dye bath. Not recommended. Okay, get to the point. Also, wear something that you don't care about, because most likely everything's gonna get ruined. Took like this trash can and I filled it up with like boiling water. I got my 1 cup of salt. This is a lot of salt, like damn near the whole salt is done. Okay, I'm just gonna dump that in there. And then I still have a little bit more a little concoction. I still have some more water boiling, but I was just like, I need to get this done before this water gets cold. Probably just gonna use this to mix it.
Oh, this is hot. Oh my god, I just freaking burned my freaking finger. Oh my gosh.
Don't do this at home, kids, or have a parent nearby. Oh my gosh, that was really hot.
Hello.
Oh, but you could smell the salt. Ooh. I got these for a whopping $4.99, and bitch, they were regular $51.99. So freaking like, I don't even know how much with taxes, maybe like $54. But I got them for $4.99, and they happen to be my size. I hella wanted them, but I was like, for $51.99, I think the fuck not. And like the fabric is not that cute. Like, to keep it 100, like it's very like acid wash, and like acid wash is like 2000 and late, and I'm like, I'm not with that. And the reason why they were like that price is because someone like pulled off the sensor, so the dye like just went all over the pants. But I was like, nothing a good DIY queen cannot fix. And then just have the jewels like kind of hanging out of the tub. I'm gonna dip the glove into the dye and just get the areas where like it's really close to the jewels, so we make sure it dyes it. And just throw them into the washer. I normally just hand wash them because it's so much dye that it's just gonna be a mess having to put it in somewhere and then washing it. So I normally just hand dry them. Get as much as the dye as you can out, so once you put them out to dry, it's not freaking soaking, because that thing is gonna get all over your floor. And if you live with someone, preferably a parent, they're gonna beat your ass. Yup. Progress, baby. Okay, I already got bleach on this on accident, and it turned kind of pinkish, and I kind of liked how it looked. So what I'm gonna do is I just wrapped it, like I twirled it from the center, and then wrap the sleeves like one way and then the other sleeve the other way. And I'm just gonna rubber band, then spray like each little like triangle, so like skip over, and then once I open it, I'm gonna spray it again and just do the same process, just so if it like missed any spots, like I can just go in and spray a little bit with bleach. And I just put normal hair ties because I'm not gonna go out and go buy rubber bands, and it honestly doesn't have to be perfect, so I'm just gonna spray here, here, and then here, so just skip every other one, and then kind of do some like, depending if you want like splashes, like little dots, you just do a little bit of Clorox, but if you want like big splotches, you just do like a lot of the bleach. This is how it's looking. So in order to get like the sleeves too, I'm just wrapping them up like that, like the squeeze ball. Just go ahead. This one I free balled it, and then this one I just wrapped it up with the shirt. So this one, it's a little bit more pinkish tone, and then I just put a smiley face because it's Playboy Cardi. And then that one is the Astro World one. It kind of got more white. I was hoping it was gonna be like orangey.
Pull up like oh. Baseline, grab her waistline, fuck it up, fuck it up.